ready to turn your crypto gains into cold, hard cash. First, make sure your Coinbase account is fully verified. This is crucial for security and smooth transactions. Tap your profile icon, usually in the top corner, then select Settings and Identity Verification to confirm all your information is up to date, including your photo ID and address. Now, back on the main screen, locate your portfolio or assets tab here. You'll see all the cryptocurrencies you own on Coinbase. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw funds from, then tap the Sell button. Enter the amount of crypto you want to sell in dollars. Coinbase will show you the estimated conversion rate and any fees involved. Review this carefully. Tap Preview Sell to see a final summary of the transaction, including the net amount you'll receive. If everything looks good, tap Sell now to convert your crypto to cash. Great, now that you have USD in your Coinbase account, it's time to withdraw it to your bank. Go back to your Portfolio or Assets tab and find your USD balance. Tap the Withdraw button next to your USD balance. Choose your linked bank account from the list. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you'll need to do that first by following the on-screen instructions. Enter the amount of USD you want to withdraw. Double-check the amount and the bank details to make sure everything is correct, then tap Continue. Review the withdrawal details one last time, paying attention to the estimated arrival time. Tap Withdraw now to finalize the transaction. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a withdrawal from your Coinbase account to your bank. Keep an eye on your bank account. It usually takes a few business days for the funds to arrive. Happy spending.